Hi everyone. Today you find me in beautiful Goreme in Cappadocia in Turkey. Sorry about that. Not sure about the pronunciation there, but I hope it's working out. It's a beautiful day, and yeah, I just wanted to bring you along this amazing journey that I'm having in Turkey. As much as this place has been beautiful and welcoming, it's actually very touristy, so it's been a challenge trying to shoot this. And in terms of like the photos that I'm showing as well, maybe there's less I'm trying to show less tourists and show it hopefully as the place is in a bit more in a local fashion. Some of you may know through my past videos, but I spent about roughly half of last year being clinically depressed. Some of you may have even met me while I was feeling this way, which I apologize for because I had such a hard time conjuring up any thought or conversation while I was present. But I've really been recovering very well this year. I'm already juggling a bunch of work that I feel is very exciting to me. And with this trip to Turkey, meeting all of my just wonderful, great friends that I love so much, spending time with them and invoking on these amazing adventures, who I was last year seems like a very far away past. Quick note, I will be making a video about my trip to Istanbul with the whole gang. Stay tuned for that. And from my heart, I wanted to thank everyone that has sent me these encouraging messages through these hard times. Okay, speaking of all these, amazing things that I've been doing, I wanted to talk about 3 things. First one, this is super exciting. I am doing a workshop with the Magnum photographer Moises Saman. We'll be doing it in Kyoto next month. It'll be me, Moises, and actually another instructor who is an artist. His name is Foster Mickley. He's done amazing work in the exhibition space and just globally. He's been showing his work everywhere. And it'll be this grandiose 1-week workshop where we take photographs, where we edit together, where we teach, instruct, just anything, because all our styles are very different. And that's kind of the theme of the workshop. And this is amazing for me because obviously if you've followed my journey throughout this whole time, I've always been a great fan of Magnum and their photographers and their amazing work. I've been a fan of Moises' work for a very long time as well. I helped assist a official Magnum workshop last year in Tokyo, and that's where I got to officially meet Moises after messaging him for a while online. And yeah, we got along pretty well, and then we're like, we should do something together next year. So that's exactly what is happening. Although it's right around the corner next month, we have about 2 spots left. I'm not a person that portrays much confidence all the time, but this time I would say you really don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Details on my website linked below. Please go take a look. Second one, this video is shot entirely on Typox Chimera C lenses, specifically the 35mm T1.51. It renders amazing, it's super fun, it's built beautifully as well, and I have a link down below if you want a deal on that as well. Lastly, third point, I have some of my work in a book published by Tenoise. The book is called Tokyo Now Is Now, featuring a lot of other kind of Tokyo-based photographers that have done amazing work in this space. It's a lot of photographers. It's about like 15, if I'm not wrong. Some of you who you may know, like Tetsuo Suzuki, Shin Noguchi, my really good friend Aaron Sarigal. Oh, and also Phil Penman, who I've luckily have gotten to know over the years. I don't honestly get a kickback or anything if you buy the book, sadly. But if you want to see my work in book format, designed quite beautifully, then go check that out as well. Okay, back to the video. So this morning, I did the hot air balloon thing that everyone does. Woke up at 4, really sleepy experience, but it was beautiful. I found it interesting though, because when you're on the ground and you're taking photos and you're looking up at the sky, you always wonder what the landscape looks like from above or from the sky. But as I was ascending and taking photos and video of things up in the sky, like the hot air balloons and the beautiful mountains on the horizon, I also wondered what it was like, what the scene was like from the ground, and what the hot air balloons looked like from down below.